taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up. We bring it back to life, taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It is Jasmine and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a thrift flip video because it is what you guys voted for. I asked over on the YouTube community page which one you would rather see, thrift flip or trendy influencer, home decor, like article furniture, parachute bedding, and art place pan, like if they're worth the hype. So we'll see if I still do that video. A few of you guys requested to see it anyway, so I might do it in the next few weeks. But anywho, today we're doing thrift flip. So before we jump in, I want to say it was not a score of a thrifting day. Like I found some cool pieces, but nothing insane. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and yeah, let's jump in. Going thrifting, come along with us.
Honorable for me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what up? West Side.
No. I really wanted to get some wood furniture to flip, but I could not find anything that, number one, I really liked, or number two, that I would use. I thought about this piece to do like a plaster thing, but I don't know, it was too small for a coffee table and too big for a side table. And I loved this coffee table to strip off like the lacquer on it, but it was way too big and I don't have anywhere to put it. So here's the items that we ended up with. This one, this like jug, which was $5.99. This one was originally $10 but was on sale. I think I got it for $6, and it has a little lid and opens. This was 99 cents, and this is really cute and it's just natural wood. And then I found these for $2.99, and these are just like those little fans. So my idea is to paint pretty much everything except for this, and see what it turns out to look like. Okay, first up is this cute little bowl that has a lid on it. I love things that have lids. I don't know why, I'm weird, but it's super cute. So I just painted it with this almond color Rust-Oleum spray paint just to give it a neutral color, which we're doing with all the pieces because I don't know where they're going yet, so neutral is the safest route. Spray paint did leave it a little bit tacky, so I did paint over it, which I did not film, with just a brush and some paint, which was Sahara Desert, I believe, mixed with a little bit of white. So it's kind of like a cream color. Next up, we have these cute fans that I found. They're super colorful, as we know, not my aesthetic. So I am making them neutral as well, just going in with the same color spray paint, which is almost the color of the handle. So it worked perfectly on these. And then also, it left it a little bit tacky, so I did go over it with a paintbrush off camera and just kind of dabbed some paint over where it was sticky. And then I styled them in a couple different ways so you guys can get an idea of different ways these can be styled. So next up we have this jug. I've been looking for something with handles like this. So you can always use vases. I feel like they're great. They always come in handy for decor, and I give away a ton of vases when I decorate other people's spaces. So I'm just taping off the bottom to kind of preserve that texture that's down there. I really loved the look of it, but obviously I'm not a big fan of the pink color, so I'm going to definitely be painting over that. And I don't like the way it looks like kind of drippy. That effect just is kind of weird to me. So I'm just going to paint the entire top of it and just leave a piece down below where it's not painted. I was just using leftover paint that I already had, but I'm kind of feeling like this would be a really pretty vase in a darker color. So comment down below if you think I should redo this one in a dark, like black, dark brown color. And finally, piece number 4. For this one, I really didn't do much. I just had to clean it and then hang it up. These are great for coats or in the kitchen, for mugs, or even hanging like little grocery bags and things like that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what your favorite piece was. I would have to say mine was probably the little bowl with the lid. I really like that. And then also, I did like the fans hanging on the wall. I think those are really cute too. I am still debating which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I'm going to use for an upcoming project. So we'll see. I'm also looking for, I cannot find like good furniture at the thrift store that's not like super expensive. Like I don't want to spend $125 on a thrifted table. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. But I feel like, yeah, that seems kind of steep. So I'm still looking. I'm out for some good furniture pieces at the thrift store. Let me know what you guys find. Do you guys find like good furniture pieces? I've yet to find, well, I have in the past, but I've yet to find one lately. I think because thrifting is becoming more and more trendy, they're like jacking up the prices. I don't know, you guys. Okay, anyway, love you guys. Keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.